Hello everyone, this is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back to you with the community staking experiment update. So I was a little bit absent the past week. I was moving to a new flat, so I didn't have time, so much time to do videos. I've done, some updates on my channel about some, passive income opportunities, but right now the long coming update on CSE, which in my opinion is going pretty well. Soon they will start another Dapp that will use CSE as a native token to invest in staking. It seems to be very profitable. I mean, it should be very profitable, and we probably could observe CSE rising in price. Well, this will all depend, on the people that will invest, people that will buy in an auction today. I mean, the auction just finished, the yesterday auction. We've had like pretty good few days. We were at a little bit over 300,000 TRON on day 7, and then we went up. Yesterday was, well, a bit slower than the day before, but still almost 500k, so a pretty good day in my opinion. If you bought here on day 7, you could make a nice profit on the next days, because they were bigger than this one, and on this day you could buy like 7.3 CSE for 1 TRON, and yesterday only 5, and the day before 3.6. So it was a pretty good day to enter here, and everything basically depends on the day you enter. Of course, well, I entered on the first day and I was able to take out my investment with some additional profit, because the days following were pretty good. You can see that when I already collected, but I will show you this on my wallet. So I collected 11,457 TRON just like 2 days ago, probably, when my 5 days stake finished. So these are my stakes that I have now. I have some CSE, I'm holding it for the next Dapp, and I will collect some CSE and my TRON dividends right now. As you can see, I've done a lot of stakes. Some of the stakes I went with 100 days, just to test if they really, how much they will give me. So there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stakes for 100 days, and they're paying pretty well. I entered, look that I entered on various days, just averaging on price. All right, let's collect. If you want to collect after your stake is finished, you will click collect here, and then you'll get your CSE to the balance and your TRON on your wallet. If you want to unstake earlier, well, that's not recommended, because you might lose a part of all your CSE. That depends, on many factors. So if you want to stake for like 100 days, you would have to accept that you might lose your CSE. So let's collect now. Okay, so let's refresh. The one thing that is buggy here is my ended stakes, and I saw that it's similar on some other dApps as well. Let's refresh one more time. Yeah, so let's see, I already got my CSE to my balance and some TRON in here. Let's collect the other one. Yeah, and it should be on my balance right now. Yeah, I guess it is. So it's working smoothly. Yeah, so I got it, and I just it should be here in my ended stakes. The first stake that I did, it was, well, I went in the first day of auction and went with 10,000 TRON equivalent in CSE, and I was able to take out 11.5 thousand TRON, so I'm in profit for that stake. And it's right now it's gonna be difficult for me to calculate if I am in profit for some of these stakes, because the CSE was bought on different price levels on different days, so it all depends on when you buy and when your stake will end. So I have almost 9,000 CSE. I might buy some more on auction prior to the launch of the second Dapp, and let's talk a little bit more about the second Dapp. For starters, we'll see a short introduction video just to see, well, more or less how it works. So let's play it now. Yeah, so if we go here from the main site, if we go here, we'll see that it's launching in like 1 day and 21 hours from now. It was moved 24 hours because, well, there were some problems. There was some bug in the code. So it's good that they saw that, and they are testing and retesting. So, well, it's better to test it before and to launch than to launch a contract with bugs, because we've seen some buggy contracts in the past few days. There was like E2X drama, there was axion drama, so it's better to wait and to have product which will be without bugs, so it was moved. Maybe it's even better because people will have time to accumulate their CSE to go into charge, because this will be the name for the new Dapp. You would be able to stake your CSE that you bought in auction, or that you you had from your finished stakes, because I've got some additional interest, so a little bit more CSE from the staking as well. All right, let's go back. And so I'm just accumulating. Let's say maybe I put, they say that on the Telegram that it would be good for some reason to put 25 key CSE will yield 1.5 charge. Well, I don't know the details. People, the admin, and which is good in my opinion, is not talking too much about it. It's like maybe it's good to wait, than to just tell everything now. What we know for now is that we would be able to stake our CSE to charge it. This will be low supply token, final number announced 24 hours before launch, so we don't know yet. We will be paid 10% daily interest payouts from our CSE, and our CSE will be locked for 15 days staking periods, 1 deposit per 500% stake period, so make your stake your best shot. What I understand from the Telegram as well, that you will be able to put only 1 deposit, so you won't be able to reinvest or put more, from what I understand. Well, you would be able to do that, but you would have to put it on another wallet, another address. So for one address for your own account, for one account, you would be able to probably to put only 1 deposit. So it's better to accumulate and put everything you have, everything you want to put. Remember, there's always a risk involved, so put only the amount you can afford to lose. So then that CSE is charged and is burned at the end of the stake. So you won't get probably won't get your CS back. Withdraw your charge diffs at any time, but careful, 3% burn on every transaction. So the charge will be like deflationary token, which will burn with the burn feature every time on every transaction. So probably it is done in order to pump charge, pump the price. I think that's very interesting. I was expecting something else, but this looks very interesting. Thought through. So I guess that could be very successful. Well, we will see. This is only a speculation right now. My own opinion. It's not financial advice, so be aware of that. I'm not a financial advisor, so always, do your own research. So I'm waiting for that, and it's still almost 2 days. I'm looking at the auction. Yesterday, I haven't refreshed it, so this was just before the end of the auction. T2X still going strong, I guess. Still number 2. DSP, a little bit better for the past few days, but CSE is number 1. People found it to be a good investment, taking into account that we have so many clones. This is a good outcome, I guess. This is a good result. Then there are also these 2 new staking platforms, Luck and UI, whatever that means. I mean, this is without the UI. So, well, there is some UI done by DeFi audits, but I was, basically CSE looks the best. Let's refresh the page. So right now it's on the 3rd position, because some people went to T2X and DSP, but I am pretty sure that tomorrow it will dominate this day as well. We will see, because you never know with these things. But people will probably go to auction to get some CSE for the last moment, like they did today probably, because they were expecting this new Dapp charge to launch in like 20 hours, but it was moved because they want to make it bug free. Alright guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. If you're not my subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more and more content. There will be some giveaways soon, so please watch my videos. Join my Telegram, because there are many things that I will put there. I'm building the community here, Polish and English speaking community. So I have 2 separate channels. This channel I dedicated to videos in English. Thank you and have a great day. See you soon, guys.